Welcome to the demo of the 26B charge and reverse charge resources using industrial handheld devices in Oracle Fusion Cloud Manufacturing. This feature provides the ability for the production operator to charge a resource to the work order operation or reverse previously charged quantity using a handheld mobile device. When production operators are busy in shop floor activities, they will need the ability to report through a handheld device to avoid delays in production reporting. Manufacturers can also enable a mobile-only user experience for operators to capture production reporting in environments where dedicated computers are not deployed. We will now see a demo of this feature. There are two demo scenarios. The first demo scenario will show how to charge a resource for work order operation, and the second demo scenario will show how to reverse a previously charged resource. This demo scenario shows how to charge a resource for work order operation using a handheld device. Log into the application as a production operator. Click Supply Chain Execution. Click Production Reporting. The Production Reporting menu is displayed. Expand the resource transaction and click Charge. Scan or enter the work order number and operation sequence. If the operation is serial tracked, scan or enter the serial number and click Next. The list of resources set up in the work order is displayed. You can scan or enter a new resource that is not in the work order if this needs to be charged. You can edit the defaulted values for the displayed resources by clicking the Edit icon. Click the Edit icon for the resource sequence 20. The resource details are displayed. You can populate the resource instance if set up, update quantity, or make edits to other editable attributes. Let us update the to-charge quantity from 0.3846 to 1.3846. Click Done to save the updates. Click Submit. A toast message is displayed for confirmation. This completes the first demo. The second demo scenario shows how to reverse a previously charged quantity using a handheld device to correct the entered values. Production operator logs into the application and navigates to the production reporting user interface. Under Resource Transaction, click Reverse. Scan or enter the work order number and operation sequence. If the operation is serial tracked, scan or enter the serial number and click Next. Select the resource to be reversed. You can only reverse if the resource has been previously charged to the work order operation. You cannot add new records here. Click the Edit icon for the resource sequence 20. Previously charged quantity is 1.3846. Let us reverse a quantity of 1. Populated to reverse as 1 and click Done. Click Submit. A toast message is displayed for confirmation. This completes the second demo. This also completes the demo for the feature charge and reverse charge resources using industrial handheld devices. Thanks for watching.